In the ever-evolving world of technology, drones have soared to new heights, becoming essential tools for photographers, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. As we step into 2025, the drone market is buzzing with innovative features, enhanced capabilities, and cutting-edge designs that promise to elevate your aerial experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a curious beginner, finding the right drone can be a daunting task amidst the myriad of options available. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best drones of 2025, each selected for their unique strengths and standout features. From stunning camera quality that captures breathtaking landscapes to advanced flight modes that make piloting a breeze, these drones are designed to cater to a variety of needs and preferences. We'll delve into their specifications, usability, and what sets them apart from the competition, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable entry-level drone that packs a punch in a compact design, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this lightweight marvel is incredibly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere without the hassle of registration. Its impressive 4K camera captures stunning aerial footage with vibrant colors and sharp details, ensuring your memories are beautifully preserved. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and focus track, which make it easy to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The drone boasts a flight time of up to 38 minutes, giving you ample opportunity to explore and capture breathtaking views without the constant worry of battery life. Additionally, the Mini 3's robust obstacle avoidance system enhances safety, allowing you to fly with confidence even in challenging environments. However, while the Mini 3 excels in portability and ease of use, it does have limitations compared to higher-ranked models. For instance, it lacks the advanced tracking capabilities and superior camera performance found in the DJI Air 2S, which offers a larger sensor and enhanced low-light performance. The Mini 3 is designed for those who prioritize convenience and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and travelers. In summary, the DJI Mini 3 earns its place at number 5 due to its impressive combination of portability, user-friendly features, and solid camera performance. It's an ideal starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of aerial photography without overwhelming complexity. As we move up the ranks, we'll discover drones that offer even more advanced features and capabilities, catering to those who seek a more professional experience. Number 4. Parrot Anafi Eye. The Parrot Anafi Eye is a cutting-edge drone that stands out for its innovative features and versatility, making it a strong contender in the competitive drone market. With a sleek and lightweight design, this drone is equipped with a 4K HDR camera that boasts a unique 180-degree tilt gimbal, allowing for stunning shots from unconventional angles. This feature is particularly appealing for creative filmmakers and photographers who want to capture dynamic perspectives without needing to reposition the drone. One of the Anafi Eye's most impressive attributes is its advanced AI capabilities, which enhance its autonomous flight modes. The drone can recognize and track subjects with remarkable precision, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving objects or dynamic scenes. Additionally, the Anafi Eye offers a flight time of up to 32 minutes, providing ample opportunity to explore and document your surroundings without frequent interruptions for battery changes. What sets the Anafi Eye apart from the DJI Mini 3 is its superior camera technology and AI-driven features, which cater to more advanced users seeking professional quality results. However, it does come with a slightly steeper learning curve, which may not be as appealing to casual users or beginners. While the Mini 3 excels in portability and ease of use, the Anafi Eye is designed for those who are ready to harness the power of AI and advanced imaging technology. In summary, the Parrot Anafi Eye ranks at number 4 due to its impressive camera capabilities, innovative AI features, and versatility in capturing unique shots. It's an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. As we continue our countdown, we'll uncover drones that offer even more advanced functionalities and performance, catering to those who demand the best in their aerial adventures. Number 3. Skydio 2. the Skydio 2 is a revolutionary drone that has redefined the standards of autonomous flying, making it a top choice for action sports enthusiasts and content creators alike. With its state-of-the-art obstacle avoidance technology, the Skydio 2 can navigate complex environments with ease, allowing it to follow subjects seamlessly while avoiding obstacles in real time. This capability is particularly impressive for capturing dynamic footage during activities like biking, skiing, or hiking, where traditional drones might struggle. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera that shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second, the Skydio 2 delivers stunning image quality that rivals many higher-end models. Its advanced AI algorithms enable it to recognize and track subjects with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that you never miss a moment. The drone also boasts a flight time of up to 23 minutes, which, while slightly less than the Parrot Anafi I, is still sufficient for most outdoor adventures. What truly sets the Skydio 2 apart is its unparalleled autonomous flying capabilities. Unlike the Parrot Anafi I, which requires more manual input for tracking, the Skydio 2 excels in fully autonomous flight, allowing users to focus on their activities rather than piloting the drone. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to capture high-quality footage without the need for extensive flying skills. However, while the Skydio 2 shines in autonomous tracking and obstacle avoidance, it does come with a higher price point, which may not be suitable for casual users or beginners. As we move up the ranks, we'll discover drones that offer even more advanced features and versatility, catering to those who seek the ultimate in aerial performance and creativity. The Skydio 2's innovative technology and impressive capabilities firmly establish it at number 3 in our countdown of the best drones of 2025. Number 2, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a powerhouse in the drone market, combining exceptional camera capabilities with impressive flight performance, making it a top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. This drone features a stunning 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 50-megapixel still images and records 6K video at 30 frames per second, delivering breathtaking clarity and detail that is hard to match. Its ability to perform in low-light conditions is particularly noteworthy, allowing users to capture stunning shots during golden hour or twilight. One of the standout features of the Evo Lite Plus is its remarkable flight time of up to 40 minutes, which is among the best in its class. This extended battery life allows for longer shooting sessions without the need for constant recharging, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators who require uninterrupted performance. Additionally, the drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safe navigation through complex environments. What sets the Evo Lite Plus apart from the Skydio 2 is its superior camera quality and versatility. While the Skydio 2 excels in autonomous tracking, the Evo Lite Plus offers a more manual flying experience that allows for greater creative control over shots. This makes it a preferred choice for those who want to experiment with different angles and compositions, rather than relying solely on automated features. However, the Evo Lite Plus does require a bit more piloting skill compared to the fully autonomous Skydio 2, which may be a consideration for beginners. As we approach the pinnacle of our countdown, we'll reveal the top-ranked drone that combines the best of both worlds: advanced technology and user-friendly features. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus earns its place at number 2 for its outstanding camera performance, impressive flight time, and versatility, making it a formidable contender in the world of aerial photography and videography. Number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands at the pinnacle of drone technology in 2025, offering an unparalleled combination of advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and remarkable flight performance. This drone is equipped with a dual camera system, featuring a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor that captures stunning 20-megapixel stills and 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. The Mavic 3 Pro's ability to deliver breathtaking imagery with vibrant colors and incredible detail sets it apart from all competitors, making it the go-to choice for professional photographers and videographers. One of the standout attributes of the Mavic 3 Pro is its impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, allowing users to capture extensive footage without the need for frequent battery changes. This extended duration is complemented by advanced obstacle sensing in all directions, ensuring safe navigation even in complex environments. The drone's intelligent flight modes, such as Active Track 5.0, enable it to follow subjects with precision, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic action shots. What truly elevates the Mavic 3 Pro above the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is its superior imaging capabilities and enhanced flight intelligence. While the Evo Lite Plus offers excellent performance, the Mavic 3 Pro's dual camera system and advanced AI features provide a level of versatility and creativity that is unmatched. The ability to switch between wide-angle and telephoto lenses opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing users to frame their shots with stunning depth and perspective. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro earns its top ranking due to its exceptional camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced autonomous features. It is the ultimate tool for those who demand the best in aerial photography and videography. As we conclude our countdown, it's clear that the Mavic 3 Pro is not just a drone, it's a game changer in the world of aerial imaging, setting a new standard for what drones can achieve. In this video, we've explored the top 5 best drones of 2025, each offering unique features and capabilities that cater to a variety of users, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Starting with the DJI Mini 3 at number 5, we highlighted its portability and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for those new to aerial photography. At number 4, the Parrot Anafi AI impressed us with its advanced AI features and 180-degree tilt gimbal, perfect for capturing creative shots. As you embark on your drone journey, remember that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. So, gear up, get inspired, and take your creativity to new heights with one of these top-rated drones. Your next adventure awaits.